Everybody, hope you're having a great day. I wanted to put out a quick video. If you own a GoPro camera, I own the GoPro Hero Black 7. You all own one of the older versions and you want to make better audio, now you can do that with this wireless microphone that I've actually been using for the past year and a half. So I've been working with the owner of the company who's now ready for me to help him share the word about this microphone. So I have used it on all my videos with my phone, some recently with the GoPro cameras. I just got it. The one thing I'll share with you specifically about the GoPro, unfortunately they haven't been able to work together, the two companies, as far as making the wireless microphone the default microphone. But as long as you have software and you're going to edit your video anyway, then you can do that once you stitch the audio from the microphone with the video, and it's great. And there's so many really cool things that you can do with this microphone. There's different types of backings that you can use. This is a magnetic backing, so of course you can use it with your shirt. If you want to attach it to your bike. I mean, there's some really cool videos that I've seen that have been used with this microphone. So I'm going to put a link where you can get more information on the microphone, and if you want to order it, then you'll be able to order it now. It's cool. Can handle it getting wet, and it really is fantastic. I've been very pleased with it. So also there's an app that you can use with it as well. But I wanted to get this video out, so if you have a GoPro camera, you want to have better audio, you're looking for a wireless microphone, then you definitely want to check this one out. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.